We're using the clay to make an object. At the end of the day, everyone will have a sculpture.
So what we want you guys to do is go out there, take your boards against something that's got some texture.
片付いたかな。
待
ってんだね。
Yeah, that's it.
ってこれじゃダメなの。
ダブを作る。Use the board to play out.
これ完成。
どうでしょう。
すごいじゃん。
取り出してみたいな。
Like this, you have to go close and look with eyes like that. Look. While you're looking at your work, think about colour. Think about what colours you might want to put on them. I think introducing children to materials and what it can do at an age like this is amazing, because there are processes like casting that you have a kind of miraculous change from a negative to a positive. It's quite a gift to be able to give as an artist, to be able to show something like that. You know, it's like momentarily being a magician.
There isn't anything wrong and none of this is going to get marked in any way, which means that there's a real freedom to them just being able to go out, like get introduced to these materials and just play around with them. And that's, I think, really important, especially to try and introduce it at a young age.